Alright, for the warm-up, I would like you to take a few moments, try it on your own. And once you're done with that, maybe pause the video now and then get back to it after you've tried these out. Let's starting off on number 1, 4 to the negative third. Remember, negative exponents, you're taking the reciprocal of what's being raised to the exponent and then raise it to the positive. Another way you can think about it is if you put it over 1, it moves to be 1 over 4 to the third. Either way works. So you end up with 1 over 4 to the third, which is 1 over 64. For number 2, 16 to the 1/2 power. 16 to the 1/2 power really means the square root of 16. Now, if it helps you visualize where that 2 went, it's right there. It's kind of like it's the second root raised to the first power. Now, the square root of 16 is 4. 10 to the negative fifth, same as what we had in number 1. It's going to be 1 over 10 to the positive 5, which gives us 1 over 100,000. Last one, a term has a base of 2 and an exponent of 4. Write and evaluate. This is just kind of getting us familiar with the base term here again. So negative 2 is the base. It's being raised to the 4th power. So negative 2 to the 4th power, kind of go through it step by step. Negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, times negative 2 is negative 8, times negative 2, so for a 4th time, is positive 16. All right, a couple goals for the day. Write equivalent forms of exponential and this new word, logarithmic functions. And then we're going to write and evaluate and graph logarithmic functions. So starting off with this, just like dividing is the opposite of multiplication, logarithms are the opposite of exponents. So for example, if we're solving for x in here, 2 to what power gives us 8? Well, 2 to the third equals 8, which in turn means x equals 3. So if you're solving for this mystery exponent, you're trying to figure out what exponent makes that statement true. So same thing for the next one. 3 to the what power equals 27. Again, x equals 3 in this one, and I'm going to flip the order around a little bit because 3 to the third equals 27. So we're looking to solve what x is. For this last one in here, 2 to the x equals 256. X, take a few seconds on this one. Pause the video if you need to, see if you can figure it out. And once you've unpaused, it's x equals 8 because 2 to the 8th equals 256. Now the ones that we've chosen so far aren't the most painful of ones, so we're going to try to figure out a way we can deal with ones that are a little bit more painful. This next part is called the logarithmic form. You can write an exponential equation as a logarithm or as a logarithmic equation and vice versa. So if you have b, we're going to use the letter b for a base, raised to the exponent x equals a. Then we'd say log base b of a equals x. And I'm going to rewrite that as log base b of a. So this is log base b of a. So that little subscript there, that b is your base. Now on this next page, I'm going to have us just practice a couple of these, how we just even write the logarithms. And I'm going to do the first one with you. So again, I'm just going to rewrite that b to the x equals a transforms into, and I'm going to put double arrow because it can go both ways, log base b of a equals x. So the base of the power and the base of the logarithm are going to be the exact same. So kind of following that pattern, 3 to the 5th equals 253. The base of that power is 3, so the base of our logarithm is 3. The a value, that's on the other side of the equation, the a value in this case is 243, and that's equal to 5. That was a bad looking 5. Let me rewrite that. Next up, 25 to the 1/2 equals 5. So again, the base of the base of the power is 25, so it's log base 25 of 5 equals 1/2. Right now we're just kind of getting this habit or getting this format down, so I'd like you to take a few seconds and pause the video and try these next 3. And now that you've clearly paused the video and tried the next 3, check out your answers. So we got log base 10 of 10,000 equals 4. Log base 6 of 1/6 equals -1. And for this last one, log, just throwing letters back in there, log base a of c equals B. So flipping the letters around to get a little bit. So right now we're just kind of getting familiar with this format. We're going to figure out how we can use these, when it's going to be easily done, when we're going to have to use the calculator form. I'll show you some tricks.